So basically, if you want to record, so if you want to uh, retrieve every single line, so let's say from D to Y, it means that technically what we're saying is that you need to know the first position, second position, third position in that order, which is not something that I would say is advisable. It's not really advisable. So there will be other ways that you could use to do that. But for now, we are assuming that we have all these things, different lines for different characters. So again, I said it's sometimes difficult for you to know what the last number is. So you need to know the size of your list. So in order for you to know the size of the list, we use what we call the length. So length means you want to find the length of something. And then what do we want to find the length of? We want to find the length of name, the variable called name. We want to know how many characters we have in there. So technically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to tell us that we have 10 characters. It's saying down here that 10. So let me just one more time. It's saying 10. Now, though it's saying 10, which means we have 10 characters, but the last position is always one less. It's -1 because we start counting from 0. So it's 10, 1, 2, 3, up to 10. But if we want to use indexes and get a position, we say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which means that